Okay, so I want you to imagine having an AI that truly understands your business. So not in a generic way, but truly down to your unique value proposition, your case studies, and the exact pain points that you solve. And now imagine to use that AI to craft hyper-personalized cold outreach at scale. So this is what this video is going to be about. It's going to be about this RAG system that we built inside of n8n. And if you don't know what a RAG is, it stands for Retrieval-Augmented Generation, and it learns everything about your business so that you can craft outreach messages that feels like you have spent hours on researching each of your prospects. So if you worked with AI in cold outreach, you know how generic it can be, and it's because it doesn't really know your business. It only knows its own training data. But what if this AI actually knew your website, your blog post, and your best success stories? So this is the power of a RAG. It's going to actually retrieve actual knowledge about your business. So instead of having an AI that's guessing, you will have an AI that actually knows. And this is how we make cold outreach smarter. And the best part is that the work here is already done. We already built this flow and this RAG for you. All you have to do is to grab these flows as a file, and then you can upload it in n8n, and it's going to be ready to be used for your own business. So if you're new to this channel, I'm Magdalena, co-founder of Replic, and I'm here to help you to automate your entire outreach process. So if you're interested in that, make sure to follow for more. Make sure to watch this video till the end to know how to grab hold of these JSON files. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to walk through 3 different flows for you today. And the first one, we're going to retrieve and structure the data for your RAG. And we do that by transforming your website into PDFs. And when we have the PDFs, we're going to then add them inside of a vector database. And when we did that, we will be able in the last step to discuss with our RAG to see what it actually understands from the data that we fed it with. So the more data we feed it with, the more intelligent it would be, and the more precise it would be able to be when it's crafting our outreach messages. We can also use the RAG for different other actions, like filtering out the leads, matching certain criteria of yours, to nurture leads, to follow up on leads, or even answering emails for you. And this is a first step of creating a super powerful AI system that takes care of your entire outreach process. And we don't want a generic AI agent to take care of your business. We want an AI agent that actually truly knows your business. And that's why this step is so crucial, and this is why you want to create a RAG for your business. Okay, so let's go back to the first step, where we just in the first node here going to add our web page. So we added our web page right there, and then we're going to collect all the pages in your website, like your home page, about page, etc. And we do that basically by going to sitemap.xml. So all of the websites you can do this with. If you visit sitemap.xml, you're going to have all of the URLs on that web page. So this is what we are retrieving. So we retrieve all of these URLs, and then we're going to filter out the results to extract only the relevant pages. Okay, so when we extracted the pages, we're going to then use something that's called Convert API to convert our website into PDF files. So when we have our PDF files, I'm just going to run this flow right here now to see how it works. So you can see that now it starts to extract. And when we have all of these PDF files, then it's going to be uploaded inside of our Google Drive right here. So I have my Google Drive right here. Yeah, so this is just going to take a minute. And when we have the PDF files, we can then run this second flow. But if you have this active, it's going to be triggered automatically as soon as you added a PDF inside of this drive right here. And now you can see it started to convert the website into PDFs. So this is our website, and it transformed it like this. And then it's going to filter out different pages that seems relevant for our purpose. But basically, when you have the PDF, then it's going to set IDs for the files and download the files. and then it's going to extract the text from the PDF and transform it so that it can be added in the vector database. So let's just check here. Okay, now I think it's ready. So this is the third one right there. So when we have all of the PDF files, now this flow is made for PDF files, but you can add so that you can add videos, images, or even voice memos into it to feed your RAG with different kinds of data. Okay, but now we have the PDFs, so we're going to test this workflow, and we're going to add these PDF files. We're going to extract the text from the PDF and transform it and add it in the database. And now it's successfully executed. And we are using something called supabase.com. This is the vector database we're using, but you can also use something called Pinecone.io. And there are plenty of vector databases out there, so you can just choose one of your choice. And now in the last step, we will be able to talk to our RAG. So just to give you an idea, we can open this chat here and we can ask it different questions, like what is Replic, and see what it answers. And it's going to retrieve the data that it has and then give us an answer. So here it says Replic is an AI tool designed to enhance lead generation through hyper-personalized outbound strategies. It allows users to customize their outreach efforts beyond basic personalization by including variables that are significant to prospects. Users have reported increased email engagement rates and appreciate its strong support system, which is responsive and effective in providing solutions. Replic is particularly recommended for maximizing cold outreach and connecting with clients on a personal level. So as you can see, this is exactly what Replic is doing. So we can add more data to it and ask it more questions to make sure that it understands what we want it to understand before we use it. So this is how easy and simple those three flow works. And if you want to create a RAG for your business, then make sure to join our Skool community right here, where we have created a community for cold outreach, where we create AI automation agents for this purpose. So in this classroom right here, we created something called your outreach AI agents, and this is where we drop the JSON files for all the videos that I make. Okay, so this is where you find them. So if you haven't yet, make sure to join this community to grab hold of the files, and all you have to do is to upload it in n8n, and you have the RAG ready to be used for your specific business. If you find this valuable, please comment on this video down below. Otherwise, I see you in the next video and talk to you real soon again. Have a good day. Bye.